Hi, Lily.
Hi, Emma. Nice to see you.
How are you today?
I'm great. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks.
What are you doing here?
I'm here to watch a movie.
Really? Me too.
That's great. Which movie do you want to see?
I want to see Adventure World.
Me too. It looks very exciting. Have you seen the trailer?
Yes, I watched it yesterday.
Did you like it?
Yes, I did. The story looks interesting.
I think so too.
What kind of movies do you usually watch?
I like adventure and comedy movies.
I like comedy movies too.
They always make me laugh.
Exactly.
What time does the movie start?
Let me check.
Okay.
It starts at 3 p.m.
What time is it now?
It's 2:30 p.m.
We still have 30 minutes.
Yes, we have plenty of time.
Let's buy our tickets first.
Good idea.
How much is the ticket?
It's $10.
That's not too expensive.
I agree.
Let's get some popcorn.
Sure. I love popcorn.
Me too. What size do you want?
A large one, please.
Great, we can share it.
That's perfect.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a cola.
I'll get an orange juice.
Sounds good.
Here are the popcorn and drinks.
Thank you, Emma.
You're welcome.
The cinema looks busy today.
Yes, many people are here.
I think this movie is popular.
That's probably true.
Look, the doors are opening.
It's almost time.
Let's go inside.
Wow, the screen is huge.
I know. It looks amazing.
I'm really excited.
Me too.
I hope the movie is good.
I'm sure it will be.
Enjoy the movie.
Thanks. You too.
Fun.
Let's watch.